Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the Ford Fiesta ST channel. That's right, guys. Today we got our hands on a Ford ST. Guys, go down below and comment if you want to see a review on this car. But today will be a quick overview and testing the waters with new content on this channel. All right, let's start here in the back, guys, with a startup and some revs. Okay, I can hear that turbo in there. Okay. While we're still in the back, guys, I really like this added spoiler. That's not on the base model. That actually looks fire. I'm gonna recommend to this owner of this car that he needs to get a shark fin. Who likes this little thing right here? What is that? Why would you Ford? What is that? I'm not gonna diss this car yet, but you already know eventually 5 things I hate about the ST's coming. But I'm gonna keep plugging this review that's coming up this next week or two. Let's now move on to what's underneath the hood. And you know this hood's gonna open every time just as perfect as it can because it's a Ford. You got a 1.6 turbo and a bunch of plastic. But underneath this bunch of plastic is a lot of fun. I've actually been behind the wheel of this car, and if y'all are interested in a driving point of view review, go ahead and put down in the comments below that you want to see that, and we can make that happen for you in the next couple weeks. All right, next up, guys, is the interior, and this is where you know you got an ST. You got the ST door plate, you got the ST on the back of your seat, you have all the red accents. Even the owner has thrown a red charging cable. What a ricer. Then you got the red brakes, and most importantly, everybody knows that you got the ST. You ain't no normal Fiesta driver, you got the ST. What does all this mean? It means you have a slightly more sporty hatchback. Really fun to drive, guys. Like I said, there's a review coming, so continue to look on my channel for this review if that's something you would be interested in. Fun fact about the G35 channel, guys, I'm 6'3", and you already know when the review comes, I'm gonna try to get back there. But I don't know how much I can actually fit back here because this gap right here is about as much as all the squatted trucks in my area in the back. That completes my little teaser overview. It wasn't too in-depth, I know. Like I said, review coming soon, guys. So stay tuned for that, and always stay positive.